Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. That's Dracula's castle behind me right now. Dracula's castle with the moon, check that out. Epic. Castle Bran, or Dracula's castle from the books. We're gonna jump into the charts for Bitcoin. Hit the subscribe button, join 78,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. The stock market pulling back massively, huge drops. Tesla down 8%. The only thing green at the moment is MCRT, which is incredible. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals, and the market is just bloody. Look at this, just annihilated. Tesla down 7.8%, Coinbase 5%, so making new lows. Tesla 8%, Coinbase 6%, actually 3%. MCRT is actually up. I don't know what's showing down here. I'll show you. Google is up, down 1%. Apple down 1%. New 52-week lows on Apple. Bitcoin dropped out of this small symmetrical triangle. It's still pretty much where we opened the trade exactly. It triggered the trade that I showed earlier today. It perfectly hit that trade where I said the trade would open. Now let's see if it can get a strong bounce here. If it breaks this line here, this white line, 16,489, then it would come down to make a triple bottom, and that would be that would not be good, but it's very possible if it breaks here. We need it to rally here to break out towards the upside of this big descending triangle. If it breaks down to the bottom, that would not be good, because usually descending triangles like this break out 70% of the move to the upside. 70%, and now we're already 70% of the move. If it breaks down here, then it's going to invalidate, and we could get actually a big drop, which is very possible because stocks are making new 52-week lows. Tesla getting annihilated, but that long from earlier today on Bitcoin is now active, that longer-term trade. Risking 43 risk-to-reward ratio, risking 203 to make 8,900 without leverage. With 10x leverage, 89,000. The only thing green at the moment is MCRT. Today, up around 10%, 9.9% while the market 10% while the market is dropping. Up 10% against Bitcoin, 10% against Ethereum, ranked 723. Huge movement up today, which is beautiful. Market cap 9 million, volume 1 million, up 33%, and it's real volume. You can see on the decentralized DEX volume, it's 166,000 of DEX volume, 1.1 million of volume today, which is beautiful. In the last 7 days, MCRT, huge movement upwards while the rest of the market is bleeding. Tesla is getting close to buying ranges, in my opinion now. Tesla is getting close to buying ranges. BNB and Meta are holding up really well. If you've been following my videos, I actually called Tesla dropping back at $200. If you watch my videos at $220, when I put these targets of $156, you can see here I put it at $200, target $156, $117. Those two targets have been hit, and the final one at 65, and that's when I'm going to load up massively. But now I think I'm going to start adding into Tesla down here at 112, but the real support for Tesla is at $65, which is beautiful. My trade on Ethereum is slightly down today. It's still active, but it is pulling back. BNB and Meta is holding up during this drop. While everything is being annihilated, BNB Meta is holding up, which is good news. But the only thing really in the green is MCRT up 10%. This is the total market cap of all cryptos. Let's see what it's telling us. If I just go to here on the weekly, the big support for the total market cap of all cryptos, that was the first support, but the major support is actually down here at 400 billion. We could see a 50% drop still in all cryptocurrency market cap, which will be absolutely brutal. It's holding on to its recent lows. Let's see if it can hold on. That go back to July, but if it breaks here, 400 billion to the total market cap of all cryptos, we could see crypto market drop another 50% from where we are right now. And the Nasdaq is getting annihilated. Most likely my target for this was a big descending triangle on the Nasdaq, was to come down to here, come down to 9,600 for a bounce. And if we don't get that bounce, then we're going to 8,275. You can thank Biden and the Fed. This is teaching you a lesson. From now on, if you're American, don't vote in an Alzheimer's patient as your president. Trump was pro-stock market. He was pro-capitalism. He was propping up the markets. Since Biden came in, it's just been annihilation in the markets, which is brutal. If you want to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, in the description of this video down below, in the description of the video, you can sign up to Bybit down there, and you can trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and you can buy MCRT in there, and you can get $30,000 US worth of bonuses when you sign up using that link in the description down below. But when do you want to be buying stuff? When they're down? Do you want to buy stuff when it's down 80% or when it's up 80%? Now, in my opinion, Tesla, I'm going to start buying down to $65. You want to buy on massive discounts, Bitcoin. But if this market doesn't hold, we could see a big drop in the crypto markets as well. But right now, I'm buying Google, I'm buying Facebook. They're holding up quite well during these drops. That's what I'm laddering into a lot. That's what I'm buying a lot of. I'm buying MCRT, I'm buying Bitcoin, I'm buying Cake, BNB, but you have to do your own due diligence. This is what I'm doing in the markets. Do your own research, consult your brokers, etc. And I'll show you some other things. This is some people, the PC version and Magicraft cross-platform with Android, iOS. You can see this, they have Dr. Lutz as one of their, on the mug. People are playing the PC version, people playing the PC version, and the Android, iOS versions, cross-platform, winning up to 40,000 MCRT per day, 3,000 per person. Bitcoin on the way to 100K, and the Alzheimer's guy falling down the steps. Good info, man. Thanks for doing everything that you do for us. I'm loving the learning. I appreciate the videos. Remember, James always says, do your own due diligence. He's trading during times when he's also not recording. Don't blame him for your losses. I've learned a lot from him from videos, watching daily for the past few months. Thanks, Addy. And don't forget the special discount on courses going into the New Year's. The team did an awesome discount. And anyone that purchases one crypto master course or Stockguru master course, we donate the same number of courses to students under the age of 18. So if you're under the age of 18, contact the team and contact at jamescryptoguru.com. You can get a free master course or Stockguru master course. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day. Don't be discouraged. When do you want to buy stuff? When they're on 75% discounts. That's the time to be buying. When you can actually make money is now, when the markets are dropping. At the peak of the markets, that's when you're selling for profits. Now is the time that you can actually make money. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have an amazing Christmas, New Year's. I'm here at the Dracula's Castle. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow. And this town is super spooky, actually. Really does look like